Hey guys, Abs here, hope you're well. I'm going to be taking you through an update that we've just released for the WP Social Pipes. In this update guys, there's quite a number of changes and we've actually replaced one of the services as well. I'm going to take you through the details now to show you exactly what you can expect and what the changes are. So I'm actually in my blog and inside of the WP Social Pipes plugin settings section, your plugin settings, so your access key and your transaction details are exactly the same. Your sending method, whether you're using PHP Mail or WP Mail, are exactly the same. If you are using PHP Mail, guys, just enter an email address in there. Your best spinner details, guys, exactly the same as well, no changes there. And your bit.ly URL details are exactly the same as well, so no changes there. However, everything underneath that, so for example, PixelPipe and Ping FM have changed. Hello Text and OnlyWire are exactly the same. So I'm going to take you through the changes now and show you exactly how we work with them. Now, the issues that we face, or the connections that WP Social Pipes was working with, was Ping FM, OnlyWire, Hello Text and PixelPipe. We had major issues with Ping FM and PixelPipe. The issue that we had with Ping FM was that they allowed us to send emails to their upload email addresses. However, nothing was getting through. This wasn't only experienced by WP Social Pipe users, but if you went on to Get Satisfaction Ping FM as well, you'll actually notice that many other users were experiencing exactly the same issue. As a result, we tried to work around it, we faced many issues, and finally we have got a fix out for that as well. So what we do with Ping FM now, guys, is we don't put the upload email address in the upload address section. Instead, what we do, we use the Ping FM logins details, and we actually enter the username and the password used, what you actually use to log into Ping FM itself. And you do this, and sorry, you can add up to 4 accounts for Ping FM, and it works in exactly the same as OnlyWire, having your username in add 1 and the password for that username in password 1, and exactly the same for add 2, password 2, add 3, password 3, and add 4, password 4 as well. So this section here and this here is add 4 and password 1. Sorry, add 4 and password 4. So this is exactly how Ping FM works. So instead of sending an email now, what we do is log into Ping FM, go to the dashboard and make a post that way. With PixelPipe, guys, they've actually removed the upload email address altogether. So the only option for us was to work around in exactly the same way as we worked around with Ping FM. However, with PixelPipe, they had major timeout issues. They wouldn't respond in time, and as a result, we weren't able to get this coded. Now, let me explain why we were not able to get this coded firstly. And the whole reason behind that is because we have a certain amount of time that we can work with to execute all of this code. And this takes place when you hit that publish button on your blog post, or you hit that update button as well. So we have about 30 seconds to get all of this done, and because we're posting to so many places, guys, you can get timeout issues. Now, the main issue that we were facing was PixelPipe. So as a result, because we can't get past PixelPipe and post to the dashboard, we've had to replace the service. Now, we've replaced the service with a service called Posterius. I'm going to go over to Posterius now, guys. So this is Posterius. I'm already logged in. My login name is Peter1122. And the very first thing that you want to do once you've created an account is go over to Spaces. And then once you're in Spaces, guys, you want to go over to this button here, which is like a settings area. Click on it and go to Auto Post. Inside of Auto Post, you'll have a section where you can add all of your Web 2.0 details. As you can see, I've got a number in here. My Plurk account has been failed. It keeps failing on there, and the reason, could not send post to Plurk. Not 100% sure why, but I've also got my Twitter account in here, my blog account and my WordPress account as well. And you've also got this little button here saying add service. I'm going to click on the add service, guys, and it's going to tell me exactly the kind of service that we can work with. We can work with Facebook pages, Twitter, LinkedIn, Plurk, JQ, FriendFeed, Buzz, Identica, Blogger, WordPress, Tumblr, Drupal blogs, Flickr, Vidler, Blip TV, Scribd, YouTube, Delicious, Vimeo. So we've got quite a few. We've got a number of services that we can work with. So that's pretty cool, and this actually works as well. So I'm going to actually tell you now where you can get your upload email from. So if we go back over to my Spaces, and this time click on the button again, but click on Posts. Once you go over to Post, guys, towards the right hand side you've got a little menu, and you'll have two options: new post via web or new post via email. If you click on that new post via email, or you click on that question mark button, guys, or just hover over the question mark, then you'll get your upload address. So mine here is peter1122 at posterius.com. And you just enter that email address, guys, inside of the upload address, and separate each one by a comma. So this is the new WpSocialPipes, guys. If you do experience any timeout issues, try and reduce your connections and see what kind of amount of connections actually gets you a smooth post and a smooth and a smooth publish for basically. And yeah, this is WpSocialPipes. So Ping FM now posted a dashboard. No Pixel Pipe in here now, but instead we have Posterius. Only Wire and Hello Text are still working fine. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope this is okay.